Speaker, narrator at 1, 0x. Media, sunlight streaming through a window. Let's face it, we all love a little sunshine streaming through our windows. Media, glaring sunlight through a window, faded furniture due to sunlight. But sometimes that sunshine comes with unwanted side effects: glaring screens, faded furniture, and even soaring energy bills. Media, home window tinting solution. This is where window tinting comes in, offering a stylish and practical solution to these common homeowner headaches. Media, window film blocking UV rays. Window film acts like a shield, filtering out harmful UV rays that can damage your furniture and flooring over time. Media, protected furniture and flooring from UV rays. This means your treasured belongings stay vibrant and beautiful for longer. Media, window tinting for temperature regulation. Plus, window tinting helps regulate the temperature in your home, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Media, investment in home comfort with window tinting. Think of it as an investment in both your comfort and your wallet. Media, energy-saving benefits of tinted windows. By reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems, tinted windows can lead to significant energy savings year-round. Media, privacy and security with window film. And let's not forget the added privacy and security that window film provides, giving you peace of mind and a greater sense of comfort in your own home. Speaker, narrator at 1, 0x. Media, different shades of window tints displayed on a chart. Now that you're ready to embrace the benefits of window tinting, let's talk about finding the perfect film for your needs. Media, home with different shades of window tints on the windows, person comparing different shades of window tints. Just like choosing a paint color, selecting the right window tint involves considering your personal preferences and the specific requirements of your home. Media, bright and airy room with lots of natural light coming through tinted windows. First, think about how much light you want to let in. Media, window tints in a range of shades from barely there to dramatically dark. Window tints come in a range of shades from barely there to dramatically dark. Media, bright and airy room with lighter window tints letting in natural light. If you love a bright and airy feel, a lighter tint might be ideal. Media, cozy room with darker window tints creating a warm ambiance. But if you're looking to reduce glare and create a more cozy ambiance, a darker shade could be the answer. Media, home with direct sunlight and UV protection window film installed. Next, consider the level of UV protection you need. Media, furniture and flooring in a home with high UV blockage window film to prevent fading. For homes with lots of direct sunlight, a film with high UV blockage is crucial for protecting your furniture and flooring from fading. Media, heat control window film being applied to windows in a warmer climate. And finally, think about heat reduction. Media, home with heat control window film showing energy efficiency and comfortable temperature. If you live in a warmer climate, a heat control window film can significantly impact your home's temperature and energy efficiency. Speaker, narrator at 1, 0x. Media, DIY window tint preparation. Just like any successful DIY project, proper preparation is key to achieving a flawless window tint application. Media, easy window tint preparation. Don't worry, getting your windows ready for tinting is easier than you might think. Media, professional window tint surface preparation. It's all about creating a clean and smooth surface for the film to adhere to, ensuring a professional-looking finish. Media, thorough window cleaning for tinting. Start by giving your windows a thorough cleaning. Media, using glass cleaner for window preparation. Use a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Media, cleaning window edges and corners. Pay close attention to the edges and corners as these areas tend to collect grime. Media, removing stubborn stains for window tinting. If you have stubborn stains or residue, consider using a razor blade scraper to gently lift them away. Media, inspecting and preparing windows for tinting. Once your windows are sparkling clean, it's time to tackle any imperfections. Media, checking for imperfections in glass for tinting. Inspect the glass for any rough spots, bumps, or paint splatters. Media, smoothing out glass imperfections for tinting. These can create air bubbles and wrinkles in the film, so it's important to smooth them out beforehand. Media, using razor blade scraper for window preparation. A razor blade scraper can be used to carefully remove any raised imperfections, leaving you with a perfectly smooth surface for tinting. Speaker, narrator at 1, 0x. Media, person applying window tint on a glass window. Now comes the fun part, applying the window film. Media, person using a squeegee to remove bubbles from window film. While it may seem daunting at first, with a little patience and the right technique, you can achieve professional-looking results right at home. Media. Close-up of hands carefully smoothing out window tint to avoid wrinkles and bubbles. The key is to work slowly and methodically, paying close attention to detail to avoid those dreaded bubbles and wrinkles. Media. A spray bottle, squeegee, utility knife, and window tint laid out on a table. Before you begin, gather your supplies. A spray bottle filled with soapy water, a squeegee, a utility knife, and of course your window tint. Media. Hands cutting window tint film with a utility knife. Start by cutting the film to the size of your window, leaving a slight overhang on all sides. Media. Close-up of hands trimming excess window tint for a perfect fit. This will be trimmed down later for a precise fit. Media. Window being sprayed with soapy water in preparation for tint application. Next, spray the window generously with the soapy water solution. Media. Close-up of soapy water being sprayed on a window before applying tint. This acts as a lubricant, allowing you to reposition the film during application. Media. Person peeling off the backing from window tint and applying it to a wet window. Carefully peel away the backing from the tint and apply it to the wet window, starting at the top and working your way down. Media. Close-up of a squeegee smoothing out air bubbles on newly applied window tint. Use your squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center outwards. Conquering common tinting challenges. Even with the best intentions, you might encounter a few hiccups. Most common issues can be easily remedied with a little know-how. Stubborn air bubbles are frequent challenges. Prick it gently with a needle and use your squeegee. For larger bubbles, lift the film, respray, and reapply. Wrinkles or creases can occur if the tint wasn't applied smoothly. Heat the area with a hairdryer and smooth it out. Caring for your windows after application. Congratulations on tinting your windows. Proper maintenance is key. Avoid cleaning for 2 weeks to let the film cure. Use mild soap and water and avoid abrasive cleaners. For a streak-free shine, use a squeegee. Speaker, narrator at 10x. Media, person DIY tinting window at home, professional installer tinting windows. Section 7, DIY versus professional, weighing the costs and benefits. Media, person deciding on DIY window tinting, professional installer working on a window. Deciding whether to tackle window tinting as a DIY project or hire a professional installer is a personal choice that depends on your budget, skill level, and comfort zone. Media, comparison of DIY versus professional window tinting options. Both options have their pros and cons, so it's important to weigh the factors carefully before making a decision. Media, DIY window tinting materials being prepared for installation. DIY window tinting offers significant cost savings as you'll only be paying for the materials. Media, person proudly admiring their newly tinted windows after a DIY project. It's also a rewarding project that allows you to take pride in improving your home with your own 2 hands. Media, close-up of someone carefully applying window tint with attention to detail. However, it does require patience, attention to detail, and a willingness to learn new skills. Media, professional window tinting company van arriving at a home for installation. Professional window tinting, on the other hand, offers convenience and peace of mind. Media, close-up of professional installer using specialized tools for window tinting. Experienced installers have the expertise and specialized tools to ensure a flawless finish, even on complex window shapes. Media, comparison of costs between DIY and professional window tinting installations. However, professional installation comes at a premium, and the cost can add up quickly depending on the size of your windows and the type of film you choose. Speaker, narrator at 10x. Media, person admiring their freshly tinted windows, homeowner giving a thumbs up to their tinted windows. Section 8, tinting triumph, you can do it. Media, DIY enthusiast working on window tinting project, person carefully following steps to tint windows at home. Embarking on a DIY window tinting project can feel like a big undertaking, but with the right information and a can-do attitude, you can achieve amazing results. Remember to take your time, follow the steps carefully, and don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. Media, homeowner admiring their newly tinted windows, comfortable and stylish home interior design with tinted windows. Think of the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you step back and admire your handiwork, beautifully tinted windows that enhance your home's comfort, style, and energy efficiency. So go ahead, gather your supplies, and get ready to transform your windows and enjoy the many benefits of a cooler, more comfortable, and stylish home. You've got this.